Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. So the business review now, from 5 flavors to 22. How a small frozen delight business is bringing down the heat with fruit sticks. Here is Cody and Barrett with this week's edition of the business review.
Consuming fruits no longer has to be boring. With a cooler twist, Tameka Nelson, the owner of Tamjam Gourmet Delight, has handcrafted an alternative, fun way to consume healthy snacks while quenching thirst. These are paletas.
Paletas generally is describing popsicles or icicles that are made from real fruit. So there are no artificial ingredients or colorings or anything like that. It's actually from Mexico. The Mexicans call what they make popsicles paletas.
Vegan-friendly, fruit-based, and some dairy-free but nutrient-rich, something that was needed during a time when the pandemic was claiming lives.
It became evident that we needed to watch our diet. You know, they're pushing for us to consume vitamin C, zinc, and stuff like that. And I was like, what can I do to help to make intaking these things fun?
At first, Tamjam was homebound, starting with fruity fruit paletas. Then its owner added some of her favorite flavors: coffee, mango, and pina colada. In 2021, Ms. Nelson had her eyes set on this location at Devon House. After several failed attempts, she finally succeeded. The store officially launched in May 2022, and the location has actually benefited the business, even though it's in an environment famous for ice cream.
It is a different product in the sense that most of my products are fruit-based. I have non-dairy, creamy paletas, as well as I have a few dairy ones. But essentially, I'm focusing on fruit-based paletas and non-dairy paletas. So it just gives the patrons and customers and visitors to Devon House an option, especially if they are lactose intolerant or vegan. Then they can still have the experience of sitting and having a treat without, consuming dairy if they are not inclined to do so.
With no prior marketing or advertising, the business has been doing well, attracting customers out of curiosity. She has seen a 10% increase in sales month on month, with the signature Blue Mountain Mocha accounting for the majority of sales, and Mango and Yummy Gummy being the next favorite. As the season changes, so does the availability of certain fruits, resulting in more diversity in Tamjam's offering. Now, with 22 different flavors and counting, Tamjam is aiming to make its paletas accessible to everyone.
I definitely see the business in other locations, maybe another location in Kingston and also outside of Kingston. I'd love to go to St. Anne, maybe Montego Bay. Definitely see me having more locations and also getting on the shelves in the supermarket, in the freezers in the supermarket.
With a business review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.